Hello people and welcome back. In this one we're going old school Pearl Jam. Oh yes indeed. This is a demo version actually and it's called Chinese and it's requested by Mr. Chad Ward, who's one of our patrons. Thanks indeed Chad for your support. So basically they help support the channel, keeps all this stuff free for you guys, and then they get some lovely little rewards like choosing tunes and voting and all that good stuff. So let's crack on and have a look, shall we? So first riff goes like this. And round. Basically 2 chords. 5 0 5 0 5. Could play the open E if you want as well. To a C add 9. So I'm basically playing with my 2nd, 3rd and 4th fingers to fret those notes on the 5th fret, and then I'm sliding down my little finger 2 frets, and then I'm doing the root and the 3rd with my 1st and 2nd fingers. And again there I'm just strumming from 5 to 2. Okay, so slowly. Then there's some rhythmic stuff, and the rhythmic stuff might trip you up. It doesn't really matter, but this is what I hear them play on that on the demo. So it's up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down. Okay, so the riff is. So if you count 2 between the first C add 9 and then the rhythmic bit, so 2, and again 1, 2, and then do that up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down. Then you'll nail it. There's a little fill as well which you could put in. It goes like this. Just that basically, again. So the first bit's the same. But then the second bar goes down, up, down. Change to a C shape, but you're only really playing the root and the 3rd, and then you're going to slide from the 3rd to the 5th. And then you put your 1st finger down. And then you're going to play another 2. So the riff is. And then you just play some open strings for that last bit. So that again, 2nd bar. Again. Then you're going to play the same part, or the same chords. But you just leave it ring out. You don't do any of the strummy stuff, right? Okay, next riff's excellent. It's almost black. Alright, so you got C to E minor. But then you're going to add your little finger to the 3rd fret on the B and play 5. Change to D, my little finger's staying on that 3rd fret there. Okay, you play and then round again, so slowly. So, C, C, E. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then hit that, right? So you're coming on the one hand on the second bar. So 5 of the E minor to the D. You leave the D hold for an eighth note and a half, and then you play another 6, and the last note rings out for an eighth note. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Again. Then you've got this kind of turnaround part which plays. Which is cool. So you've got 3 of the C add 9 again. Go to an A minor shape, but you're basically not going to put your first finger down just yet. So it's an A sus2 first. First finger down for the upstroke. Back off again. And then you just play an A5. Or an A power chord, right? So sounds like there's more going on than there is there. There isn't. At least not to my ears. And then you've got a slide. So you basically move that same shape up 2 frets. I mean, any one. Similar sort of deal, right? So. Then you got this. 5, 4, 2, 0. And then an E minor. So slowly. And you can play those with 2 fingers or 1 finger, those double stops, up to you. And then the last part, I think these chords are right, I'm not 100%, but I hear them as... That's what I'm hearing anyway. So 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, to an E minor. And I'm not sure if you put your little finger on the 3rd fret there. So I think I hear that in there. Not 100%, but there you go. But if you can't do that, just play the E minor. And the E minor rings out, so you're going to play. And repeat around. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that one, everyone. And Chad, thanks again for your support, mate. See you all soon. Cheers.